Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit funds in Etoro. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Etoro application or go to Etoro website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of the screen, you can see deposit funds. Click on it and this type of interface will appear in your screen. Enter the amount, enter your card details, then click to deposit. Then it might take a while. Then in a few minutes or hours, your amount will be deposited into Etoro. This is how you can deposit amounts or funds in Etoro. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.